So here is DJI Neo. Aircraft, battery, propeller guards, spare propellers, screwdriver, Type-C cable, and manuals. So basically here is the drone. Oh my god, it's so light and small. Look at this. Amazing, amazing. The motor here is the button. I'm not sure there's a sensor. I think it's just you click a button and that's it. The propeller guards are here, installed already. Charge to activate the battery before using it for the first time. Okay, dokes. Yeah, it looks like Avata 2 actually. Like a tiny version. I like it. I definitely like it. So you can charge it. There's Type-C. There are sensors here. It's protection of a gimbal. Even gimbal looks like Avata 2. Okay. Oops. Whoopsie daisy. You know what? It's like if Avata 2 and DJI Tela would have a kid. I think that's exactly how it would look like. So this is the battery, very light. That's pretty much it. Amazing thing, amazing drone. The warranty and stickers are here. In the Type-C with propeller guards, I believe. Let's see. And the screwdriver. Yep. So the Type-C to Type-C. The cool, looking good. Screwdriver, 2 propeller guards. You can also open that if you want. Why not? Yeah, so basically the quick start guide, warranty stuff, safety protocols, DJI forum. Let's check the stickers themselves. Looking good, yeah, same pretty much as yeah, same as Avata 2. So DJI Neo, let's charge it and later we'll see how it works. Yeah, at least 6 modes here. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. And by the way, don't eat it. It even says so.